What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen dimming issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all turn off auto brightness. So to do this, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on display and brightness. Now scroll down and here you will see a auto brightness button. So if this button is enabled, then turn it off, and after turning off this button the screen dimming issue will be fixed. But after this, if you're still facing the issue, then if you have enabled dark mode, then in dark mode sometime it shows some glitches like screen dimming issue. So switch back to light mode, and after that the dimming issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue after this, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button, then swipe down this circle, and when this circle gets green, now you can release your finger to restart your phone. And restarting your phone can fix the small software glitches like screen dimming issue. So that's how you can fix the screen dimming issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.